Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a stained teacup. Look at this cup right here. I use it to drink tea every day. Look at all stained inside right there. See, stained from the tea. And there's only one ingredient I'm going to use, no chemical, just a baking soda, and then a sheet of paper towel. That's it. The first thing you need to do is just wet the cup a little bit, and then I'm just wet the paper towel. Okay, just put baking soda. Yeah, maybe a teaspoon or so baking soda. Okay, now mix it together. Okay, right here into a paste. All I need to do is just go inside there. See, right here. Just clean it. See the stain coming out already. You see the stain coming out? So that's it. It's so simple. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Look at the paper towel. Remove all the stainery. See, turn brown right there. All right. Okay, now just rinse it off. Look inside here. Look at, it's clean. See that? So simple. Just a wet paper towel and a baking soda. That's all you need to clean the stained teacup, basically. See how clean it is? So simple. I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.